You just not only look at the physical parameters, you look at body, mind, soul, the psychology, the relationship with food, and relationship with environment. I think total health system of the human being you deal with. But despite that, where do we stand? I think this is very important for you as professionals to reflect on this. Why do we stand today? And what needs to be done? India is facing a tsunami of cancers and chronic diseases. Because of the economic development that we have, because of the lifestyles that we are changing, look at the scenario that is being projected on for this country in the next few years. So the IUST system of medicine has to join hands with the allopathic system of medicine to address these issues. I think it is very important. So you need to, basically make use of the latest science and technological developments. What stops a practitioner of the Ayush to use the medical imaging? I mean, there has been tremendous advancement in the field of medical imaging. I will give an example how IUST is just pitching up for the wellness center and to promote the Unani medical tourism here. We have an international center for spiritual studies, we have an Amaro center, Ibn Center for philosophical study at the university, Islamic University. And all these we are thinking of shifting to that. And we have established an aromatic and medicinal plant park, which we want to, basically, and for that we have signed an MOU with 28 drug manufacturing organizations, Unani Drug Manufacturers. And we have a lot of goodwill internationally. But are we ready? Do we have in this country, this range from Kashmir to Sikkim? We heard how many initiatives have been taken in the Northeast, as far as the promotion of Ayush is concerned. But this entire belt from Kashmir to, Azwa is basically known for the Indian system of medicine, has a historical background for that. But unless and until we are able to create those high service values, services, Ayush Center or this wellness center requires an expert on hospitality. For a new and prosperous and healthy India, I think it is important that Ayush has to come in the forefront. It is very important for us, that the issues that we have at the national level. So I think it's very important for us to join hands with the allopathic system of medicine so that some of these issues